Alright, right now I'm gonna hand it off to the Ford team. We about to do this.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for being here. We really appreciate your presence and your energy. This is a special night. My name is Javier. I'm the multicultural communications manager at Ford. I've been with the company 20 years. I live in Texas, but tonight we are combining the best of the Texas country and California. And it's happening here in LA. And I'm really excited because this is it's gonna take our Ford trucks to a whole new place. To get the party started, let me introduce Brian Bell, our marketing F-150 manager. Brian,
hello everybody, thank you for coming out. Really excited to be here with you this evening. Really excited for what we're going to show you this evening. So, 48 years that we have been the truck leader in the marketplace. This is something that we're really proud of for. We don't take it for granted. You might ask, how do you get to be the leader for 48 years? It's not something you want. Well, you do it by listening to customers, right? What do you use your trucks for? What makes your truck better? What new trucks are you looking for? Well, that's what we have here tonight. We've got a truck that customers have been asking us for, an aggressively styled, V8 performing street truck right from the factory. But before we show that to you, we got a couple more things to talk about. So, let's talk about customers again just for a second. We've got a special group of them here with us tonight that I got to talk to and meet just before the event started. What a fantastic group of passionate truck owners with some fantastic trucks parked right outside the door if you get a chance to look at them. And I'm talking about the Bulls Truck Club members that joined us tonight. So thank you so much, Bulls, for coming out. Really appreciate that. And why don't we take a quick look at the Bulls Truck Club?
There are so many people that have the same passion, just get together like a family. My favorite thing to do in my truck, so many people, My name's Rafael Martin. I'm the vice president of the Bulls Truck Club. When people don't really want to join a club, it's because they have the same passion. We all love to do the same thing.
It's like a family. Friends, barbecues, get-togethers. My name's Christian Chavez. I've always been a fan of trucks. We jump off ideas off each other. When I got my figure, it felt like being part of a team.
I am Jackie Diaz. My truck is a 2022 Ford F-150.
My name's Jonathan. I drive a 21 F-150 XL. It's just amazing.
Well, when I first got it, it was already nice as it was, but seeing everybody else's modifications to it spiked my interest.
My dream Ford truck.
Like, what's next?
What's next? What a great spot right there. Thank you, Bulls Truck Club members, again for being here. Thank you for bringing your fantastic trucks, and thank you for your truck passion. That is just so exciting. So, Built Ford Tough. Built Ford Tough. No launch of a new F-Series truck would be complete without talking about Built Ford Tough. Why? Well, it's not just a slogan, a marketing slogan that we've used at Ford Motor Company for the past 40 plus years. It's a promise, it's a belief. It's all of us that work on trucks. We look at Built Ford Tough as what we're delivering to our customers. It's quality, it's capability, it's durability. Doesn't matter what part of Ford Motor Company you're in, Built Ford Tough is part of your DNA if you're working on trucks. So I'd like to talk about a different Built Ford Tough truck that we have here tonight that you probably saw. If you didn't, go take a look at it. We've got the Maverick logo behind us. This is a compact street truck with aggressive styling, a 250 horsepower motor, and it's even got a mode in it called Lobo mode for autocrossing. So it's a great little truck we announced last summer, been on sale, doing really well in the marketplace, and it's kind of our first Lobo in the showroom, which we're going to expand on tonight. So, like I told you, we've been listening to customers. Customers have been telling us we want an aggressively styled, full-size, V8 powered, V8 sounding, growling pickup truck in our showroom. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to introduce to you the all-new F-150 Lobo. that is really responsible for what you see here in front of you, Josh Lobo.
Thank you, Ryan, and thank you everybody for being here. This is great. My name is Josh Blundo. I'm the lead exterior designer of our F-150 Lobo. I've been a street truck guy since as long as I can remember. I daily drive an axle flip V8 single cab short bed. I spend my weekends building a 1995 Ranger drift truck. I love this stuff. And our F-150 customers, they've been building street trucks of their own for years. Our V8 4x4 trucks especially are absolute superstars in that scene. But what our communities always wanted is the factory styling that matched the menace of their street truck bins. And now we have that, the F-150 Lobo. This marks the return of the V8 street truck. We designed the F-150 Lobo based on what we heard from customers who wanted bold styling and V8 performance and sound from the factory. So, on the bones of the world's best-selling truck, we designed a street truck that comes off the line ready to roar, backed by that built Ford tough quality and a Ford factory warranty. Let's talk performance. Our F-150 Lobo comes standard and exclusively with a 5-liter V8 engine that growls through black accented dual exhaust. Then we give an upgraded 4-wheel drive system and a 373 rear gear. But of course, street trucks, they're about style as well as performance. That's where things got really fun for us. The first thing we did is we lowered the rear of the truck 2 inches, giving it that level stance that we see in our customers' builds. Then, a unique 10-piece ground appearance package that also enabled more sinister styling. So we got rid of the F-150 standard bumperettes and replaced it with this wide gloss black mesh ground. Above that, the upper grille is unique to Lobo as well, and within it this distinct light bar that's going to look great at night. We changed the DTRLs to white to really combine that family in the Maverick Lobo. Above that, a factory cowl hood, and you see these unique black accents across the rest of the vehicle. So our hood vents here, of course the black badging, our unique Lobo wordmark fender vent, and black accented dual exhaust, not to mention these unique and standard 22-inch gloss black wheels. Every piece of the truck was looked at from the lens of true street truck enthusiasts. And while the F-150 Lobo comes ready to roll right off the line, it's also going to be a great platform for personalization. I'm beyond grateful to have been part of this revival with all of you. It was almost as much of a thrill to design as it will be to drive. Thank you all for being here, and I invite everybody to come up, come check it out for yourself.
I think we're gonna go, I guess. Right?
¿Ya está?
Sí.